Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, this video is for you if you have a computer that's old and your USB ports have stopped working, but you've got at least one or two that are working. Like let's say the one for your mouse or your keyboard, the USB port's still working, but all the other ones are crap. I've got the same problem. Whenever I have a problem and I try to find a solution, I usually make a video on it, and because it helps people. This is my solution. I went online and I looked at all the things they said I could do if my USB ports were working. And some of them I could do, but some of them I'm not that technical when it comes to computers. So I couldn't do all of them. And I was getting frustrated because like one or two of the ports did work, but all the others weren't working at all. And some of them were loose, some of them you could jiggle. It was a 12-year-old computer, and some of the wires were old. And I bought new wires, and they worked sometimes they didn't, and it was getting frustrating because I like making videos. And my camera I couldn't connect to my computer, and I got to make my videos. So I actually found out that they make this. I didn't realize it. It's an external gadget where you can plug into a port, and so long as you have one port that's working, you can plug in, and then you've got 4 other USB ports to plug in your other devices. Now when I purchased it, when I plugged into my computer and the ports are working, I disconnected the one from the mouse and I put the mouse into this device, and then I plugged my camera cord into a phone into this device. It didn't work, but then what I did is I unplugged the one for the keyboard in the back and I put it into the back of the computer. So even though the camera or the phone USB didn't work in this device, I was able to put it into the back of my computer and then just remove the mouse or keyboard port USB and put it into this device. I hope I'm not being complicated here, but basically instead of doing all these 15 different things and disconnecting this and whatever, I just spent $12 and it's okay now. I'm back in business. Although I did purchase a new computer. 12 years old. It's just time. So hope this is something helpful to you guys. If you have a computer and all your USB ports except for 1 or 2 are bad, so long as you've got one left, you can buy this device, pop it in, and you've got 4 more to go. So if you can't figure it out with all these ways on Google how to fix it, you can go over and get some hardware and try it. Hope this is helpful to you guys. I put a new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got over 1,000 videos. Bunch of playlists on my channel, and a bunch of cool people I feature too. No relation to me. They would not anyway. But like I said, a lot of playlists and all sorts of different subjects. And by the way, since I have many different subjects, YouTube does not promote me because they don't know what to do with my channel. So if you like something and it helps you, please share it on social media. And I think also YouTube likes it when you guys watch my videos to the end and you watch other videos. So hint, hint, I got 1,000 other videos you might want to check out. Okay, hope that was helpful. And if you got other tips for other people about this subject, leave them in the comments, and we're all in this together, guys. See you out there.